Nobody. I mean, nobody will tell you what I'm about to tell you right now. But do you know that everyday product that you are selling, I mean, your products like Gary, dried fish, palm oil, and the like, are in very high demand in places like US, UK, Canada, and even other parts of the world. But the amazing gist, people that are already selling their products to people abroad earn up to $60,000 on a monthly basis. What are you doing right now? I know that somebody is saying that, hey, I've tried now. It did not work out. I couldn't get buyers. They seized my item. But that is where African Import and Export Solution comes in, because we train you on how to get profitable products to export and also how to find buyer for that your product. Our trainings will teach you how to identify products that are high demand so you don't make a loss. We'll also teach you what to avoid as a new exporter. And most importantly, we'll let you know the licensing and documents that you need to export that product so that you don't have custom issues. There is still a whole lot more. Guys, this training is worth a whole lot of money. We are giving it for free. I mean, absolutely free. And the only thing you need to get this training is go to the comment section and type the word interested. Instantly, the link to join the training will be sent to your DM. Guys, do not miss this training for anything, because it's what your business needs to go global.